Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in home technology. Today, we're diving into the Neff N90 T66YYY4C0 induction hob. Let's get started. Alright folks, let's talk about style and substance. The Neff N90 isn't just your average hob, it's a powerhouse of cooking precision with a touch of style. And trust me, it's not just a pretty face. First off, let's talk about those swappable trims. You've got 4 gorgeous options to choose from: brushed bronze, deep black, metallic silver, and anthracite gray. So whether you're going for a sleek modern look or something a bit more traditional, Neff has got you covered. Now, let's talk about control. The Neff N90 features the innovative TwistPad Flex Control, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This magnetic control pad makes adjusting your settings a breeze, and it even puts the hob into pause mode when you remove it. Talk about convenience. With just a twist of the dial, you can adjust the temperature with precision, making it perfect for those who demand the best in their cooking. But here's where it gets really interesting. The Neff N90 isn't just limited to 4 traditional burner zones. Oh no! It's got flexible zones that allow you to place your pans wherever you want. And get this, it can even detect when a pan has been moved and adjust the power accordingly. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about performance. This hob is no slouch when it comes to heating things up. With its fast heating speeds and precise temperature control, you'll be cooking up a storm in no time. I mean, just look at this melted butter. The Neff N90 handled it like a pro, giving me the perfect melt without burning a single drop. And of course, we can't forget about the smart app control. With the Home Connect app, you can control your hob right from your smartphone. It even sends you notifications about your cooking activities and allows for firmware updates. Talk about cutting-edge technology. Well, if you're someone who wants the best of the best, then the Neff N90 T66YYY4C0 induction hob is definitely worth the investment. With its stylish design, precision cooking control, and smart features, it's a winner in my book. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest home tech. Until next time, happy cooking!